Hi and welcome to Airy Charms. So I am Sam and today we're talking about Cinnabar. So Cinnabar actually comes from a Persian word meaning dragon's blood, and as you can see it's sort of like red or brownish depending on how you want to call it. But today we're going to talk about the metaphysical properties of the Cinnabar, and we are actually pretty strong, assuming you believe in that kind of stuff. I do. So Cinnabar is actually called the merchant stone because it aids in wealth creation, and it's also known as a stone of manifestation, believe it or not. And the energy of this stone may bring an increase of wealth and abundance into your life and your business. So it's also associated with the root chakra and the third chakra, and mentally Cinnabar actually helps with fluency to the mind and to your speech and spirituality. It sort of connects us to the realization that everything is like exactly as it is, if you know what I mean, like sort of the feeling that being one with the universe, if you have ever experienced that. And it's an ideal stone for those who wish to obtain like their dreams and to create prosperity. And Cinnabar encourages the flow of chi or chai, depending on how you pronounce that. And it's also stimulates the Kundalini energy. And I'm not sure if you have heard about that, but the way it's Cinnabar, it actually affects the third eye, which helps with the envisioning. So assuming you wear like Cinnabar jewelry, it might help you or aid you to like visualize and achieve like prosperity, or get some sort of ideas when brainstorming and doing creative work. And what you will find out about Cinnabar is that when there are some things that are keeping you back from achieving from success and abundance, and with Cinnabar you have like the chance to act accordingly and the chance you need to change in order to succeed in life. So it has a strong vibration to the ground, and it moves the excessive energy, taking it through the base chakra to the earth chakra to facilitate the spiritual grounding. So if you're feeling like really disconnected and out of sorts, like Cinnabar is really a great stone to ground excessive energy. And it helps you to enhance your personal relationships, as any excess energy will safely go into the earth, and you will be able to be like more calm and thoughtful in your communication with others, which I think is like one of the most important things when it comes to relationships, like always being open, always talking, always like communicating. So Cinnabar is believed to help with that, and the negative energy will also be removed, and that helps to heal like, let's say, broken relationships, and you'll have like a better understanding of the situation and of the person that you're trying to connect with. So these are like some of the metaphysical properties and benefits of Cinnabar that are believed to help you. And if you're interested into like making your own jewelry, airycharm.com offers like do-it-yourself jewelry kits, as well as Cinnabar beads and wholesale beads and all kinds of beads. So or you can just go to like, I don't know, a third-party store and just get some Cinnabar jewelry yourself. So it's up to you really. We hope you find this information helpful, and please subscribe if you did, and you have a beautiful day. Thank you.